Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the exact Mediatek chipset and noting the PCI or USB identifier so you compile the right code. Once done, back up the installed driver file to a safe folder with sudo permissions. This lets you revert. Then make sure Build Essential packages, kernel headers, and DKMS are installed so compilation will succeed. You're now ready to fetch the correct source or vendor package and move into the build directory to start the compile. You extract the driver archive and change into the source directory, where you run make to compile. This step converts source into a kernel module. While compiling, resolve missing symbols or headers by installing the exact Linux headers version or dependencies. Restart the build after each fix. Once make completes, use sudo make install or integrate with DKMS to attach the module to your kernel so it rebuilds on updates. Finally, reload kernel modules or prepare to reboot so the new driver can load. You load the new Mediatek module with sudo modprobe using the correct module name and immediately check dmesc for initialization messages, which tell you why a driver might fail. Then verify the interface appears with IP link show or IODEV and test connectivity. If it works, enable the module on boot. If something goes wrong, revert using your backup copy, confirm the compiled module matches your running kernel version, and inspect dmesc for specific errors to guide fix.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.